Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guarantee RV Supercenters today in Junction City, Oregon, where it's very sunny and beautiful, to show you a great trailer. There's a trend in the market right now that is focused on what we call overlanding, and you're seeing all kinds of RVs that are bringing more outdoor activity related things to their design. Things like ground clearance and racks and all kinds of utilities. This trailer is just an absolute microcosm of great outdoorsy technologies, and I can't wait to show it to you. It's made by Coachmen, and this is called the Catalina Expedition. This particular model is the 192RB, and I think you're absolutely going to love it. I just sold one to a buddy of mine, and he's going to have a ball. So the first thing I want to do is I want to talk to you about the interior of this coach. The 192RB is a really cool trailer because, first of all, it has some versatility that other trailers don't have. It's a rear bath, and so the plus with a rear bath is that I can get a roomy bathroom, but it doesn't make the trailer feel small. This is really a small trailer. It's not a big one at all, but it doesn't feel small. The other thing that they've done in here that really makes sense is that we have a Murphy bed with a couch. So when you get a small trailer and you still want to have a queen walk around bed, you pretty much can't have a couch. But with this configuration, I can have both the nice queen walk around bed and I can have a couch to sit on during the day. After all, I really only need a bed at bedtime. So if I want to make the trailer small, this versatility makes a big difference. Another thing is that we have a booth dinette that can be folded down to make a bed. And of course there's storage underneath. So that's a plus with this one. So if you have, one additional person, a kid or somebody, this is actually, I think somebody about 5'10" could sleep on this just fine. Other things that you'll see on the inside of this coach is that it's fully loaded. It has air conditioning, has a high capacity exhaust fan. So that's really nice because you can take the air out of the coach when it's moist or dank and you need to clear this coach and refresh it. But it can also blow in if you just need a fan on you. It's got a wonderful single handle faucet. It's all metal. It's not plastic. It's got an oven and a stovetop and a microwave. Now, a lot of these little trailers don't have ovens anymore. This one does, and in fact, it's a glass-fronted oven, so you can see what you're burning in there. It's got a home theater system with a media player and DVD. It'll do Bluetooth, all of that kind of stuff. Another thing on this trailer that's really unique, and it goes to this outdoor feature, this design idea they have, this has a 1,000-watt inverter. So if I'm remote camping, if I'm camping without a power supply, I can use that inverter to run a 110 appliance. So let's say I want to use a coffee grinder or I want to turn on my TV or something. I don't have to be plugged in at a campsite to do that. I can do it just by engaging my inverter and using some battery power for that. That is really, really cool. Okay, now the next thing we really want to talk about here is the outside of the coach. And there is so many things that they've incorporated in this coach. It's almost too many to fit in this video. I'm going to go over it quickly. First of all, the exterior on this coach is all sheet metal. It's a sheet metal exterior. The strength of that is that sheet metal does not weather. It'll last and last. So the front, the sides, it's not all laminated together and made out of fiberglass. So it's a lot less vulnerable to the weathering over the years that you see on fiberglass type vehicles. Now, as we walk around the outside, it's got a bike rack on the front. This thing's removable, so you don't have to have it there all the time, but wouldn't it be great to have an easy way to haul your bikes? It does have the power tongue jack, so it's easy to put up and down. It has a new feature. It's called a power channel, and that's right here on the awning. And what it does is it creates a place where you can plug in a wireless speaker for Bluetooth or a spotlight, little appliances that you can have on the exterior of your coach. It's really neat. It has the solid steps. You may have noticed if you've been shopping that there's a new kind of step, and the beauty of it is it's easy to use. And your weight is on the ground instead of on the coach, so it doesn't bounce up and down when you walk in and out. It also has a lot more ground clearance than a typical trailer, so it's great if you like to get into those more remote campsites. It has a power awning, so you just push a button and it goes out. And of course, it's got all LED lighting throughout the coach and under the awning and all that. It's beautiful. It has a leash link. It's just a little connector place where you can tie things to the coach, including your dog. That's why they call it a leash link, so you don't have to have your dog run away. It's got tailgate storage. There's a platform on the back of this coach that folds down. So this is really cool because first of all, it's shorter, and I can just fold down that storage when I need it. So it stores shorter, but it travels longer. You see what I'm saying? So now I've got a place I can put, you know, coolers or tubbies or generators or bikes or all kinds of things that I want to put on that rack. Folks, thank you for taking the time to watch this video with me. I hope you found it useful, and I'd love to answer any questions you have. So if you need to get in touch, you can call me or drop by and ask for me. My name's Matt Elliott. You can reach me directly at 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a good day.